welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing some lip swatches. These are called babe lips. I got them off Flipkart. I don't know if they're still available. You can try and search for them, and without further ado, let's get started. They don't have any names written on them, so I'm gonna call them shade 1, 2 and 3, and this is shade number 1. These lipsticks, they do not have a very good smell to it, but they are extremely creamy and easy to apply. You can outline your lips using a lip pencil. I don't have any, so I'm directly applying the lipsticks. These lipsticks come in a set. You get 11 shades and they're very inexpensive. All the shades are beautiful and they look great on Indian skin tones, and they are pretty wearable as well. You get bunch of shades, like you get the pinks, the mauves, the reds, the browns. So if you are a makeup lover and you're starting to do your makeup all by yourself, this should be there in your collection. I have bunch of lipstick try on videos on my channel. I'll link it in the description box below. If you want, you can check them out. Let me know which shade you liked the most in the comment section. Saved the best for the last, and with this we have come to an end of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.